How to use Grabovoi sequences. Here are some basic rules to use Grabovoi sequences so they work for you. Choose the correct sequence or sequences for your situation. Be calm when using the number sequences. You can use this simple exercise before starting a session. Close your eyes and breathe out a long, slow exhalation through the mouth, followed by a brief or normal inhalation through the nose. Do this 3 times. When you're using the sequences, ask first for global salvation for all. This way you will resonate with the divine norm to bring peaceful, harmonious conditions and development in the world. The sequences can be inserted into a silver white sphere, either by visualization or by printing out a graphic like this one. Make sure to write within the circle, or it loses effectiveness. Write the meaning next to the corresponding number sequence. When using a list of sequences, do not write a sequence next to another, because a new sequence would be formed, and it will lose meaning. Use another line instead. Clearly visualize your objective. When you repeat the numbers, you will know what you should visualize. The sequence can be written on micropore adhesive tape and stick to the body on the affected area, or on clothing. They also can be written on white paper or inside a sphere, and placed under the pillow, on the headboard of your bed, or under the mattress. Make sure that the writing isn't upside down. Those who are related to finance and economics should carry these sequences in the briefcase. You can paste them into walls, mirrors, or miscellaneous objects. Don't wrinkle the strips of papers where you write. And don't fold the pieces of papers where you've written the sequence numbers. The number sequences of harmonization can be written on the wrist of the left hand. Put food-related sequences inside of the fridge or freezer. You can also use a post-it to place them on the door. Stick the sequences as labels on water bottles, cans, jars, or any other beverage container you drink from. Make sure to write the sequences facing outwards. Write sequences for beauty or skin on facial and body treatment containers. You can also write hair sequences on shampoo bottles, conditioner or hair treatments. Use Grabovoi merchandise, like blankets, t-shirts, and prints.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the button and subscribe.